Hi everyone, welcome to The Brief. I'm Sanam Siddiqui. The brief news today is how 8 lakh Indians in Kuwait may have to leave as the country passed a draft expat quota bill. According to this bill, Indians should not exceed 5% of Kuwait's 4.3 million population, currently out of which only 1.3 million are Kuwaitis. The National Assembly's Legal and Legislative Committee has determined that the expat quota bill is constitutional. According to this bill, Indians should not exceed 15% of the population. This could result in approximately 800,000 Indians leaving Kuwait, as the Indian community constitutes the largest expat community in Kuwait, totaling 1.45 million. Due to a fall in oil prices and the coronavirus pandemic, there has been a spike in anti-expat rhetoric. The Assembly Speaker of Kuwait told Kuwait TV that he and a group of lawmakers will submit to the Assembly a comprehensive draft law calling for a gradual reduction of expats in Kuwait. He stated that Kuwait has a real problem in its population structure, in which 70% of the population are expats. He added, what is most serious is that 1.3 million of the 3.35 million expats are either illiterate or can merely read and write. According to the Indian Embassy, there are about 28,000 Indians working for the Kuwaiti government in various jobs like nurses, engineers in oil companies, and scientists. The majority of Indians, that is 5.23 lakh, are deployed in private sectors. In addition, there are also 1.16 lakh dependents. Out of these, there are about 60,000 Indian students studying in 23 Indian schools in the country. This bill also proposes similar quotas for other nationalities. Kuwait, however, is a top source of remittance for India. Furthermore, foreigners account for most of the COVID-19 cases in Kuwait as the disease spread due to migrant workers living in overcrowded buildings. Thank you. Join us again. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Of remittance. Also,